Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. We are doing block 5. It is all about plants. Before we begin our today's class, let us recall what we have learnt in the previous block. In block 4, we learnt everything about food. What are the types of food? Healthy and unhealthy food. How to stop food wastage. Right? So in today's lesson, we are going to learn about useful plants. In how many ways are plants useful to us? That is what we are going to learn. And today, if we are able to, as students, right now we have the books, notebooks, textbooks, right? We breathe air, pure air. We eat vegetables and grain. All of these are from the plants. Yes, even the paper on which you write, it is made from plants, right? Let's move further. We already know that there are many plants around us. Today, we will learn about the things we get from plants. Every day we see so many plants around us. So, today we will discuss about the things that we get from plants. How are we using these things, right? So, the keyword that we are going to learn today is environment. Environment means natural world around us, right? Now, today's activity, what is this? This is a box. We are going to call it a plant box. Right, plant box. We have some pictures here on this plant box. If you carefully, if you examine that, so on the left hand side top we have fruits and vegetables. Yes, we eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. And in the center we have, these are coffee beans and coffee powder. Yes, we know what is coffee powder. And here at the bottom we have a wooden table, right? Wooden table. So there is something common, something same between all of these three pictures. What is that? All these three, whether it is fruits and vegetables or coffee or the wooden table, all of them are from plants. We get these from plants, right? Let's move further. Now this is a second box. Previously we saw the card box. On the card box we have seen fruits, vegetables, coffee powder and wooden table. So let us check out what do we have here, right? So here we have, all of you know this what it is, right? This is the plant aloe vera's leaves, right? Aloe vera's leaves. And can you see a bowl there next to the aloe vera leaves? Yes, this bowl has the gel which is taken out from the leaves. This gel is used for several health remedies, okay, as medicine for several problems, okay, health problems. So we get medicines from plants. Many plants are used as a medicine, right? So we use aloe vera for various health problems, to cure the problems, right? Then the second thing that we get from plants here, what is this? This is a tomato and this is a vegetable which we use in our food, right? Then the third thing, it is rubber. You can see the rubber ball here, right? Rubber also is made from the tree pulp, okay, the sap of trees. It is also from trees. So far what are the things that we have discussed so far? First, we get medicines from plants, we get vegetables from plants, and even rubber also from plants. How rubber is made from plants, that we will discuss later. So the third one is rubber, that is also from plants. And the fourth one here, what we have here is balls of cotton. balls of cotton. How many of you know that cotton grows on plants? There are cotton plants. So these plants give us this cotton, right? And cotton is used for various purposes. We all know that clothes are made from cotton. Cotton is also used for medical purposes, right? So far how many did you count? How many things are from plants? Medicines are, we get medicines from plants, we get vegetables from plants, we get rubber from plants. And rubber is not only used as a ball here, rubber is also used to make tires, right? Rubber is also used to make erasers, right? And cotton is used in making of clothes and as well as medical purposes. And the next thing that we see here is a pencil. All of us know what a pencil is. Pencil is made up of wood. So where do you think wood is from? Even wood is also from plants and trees, right? Here we see a toothpick, no? A toothpick to clean the teeth. In between any food particle is stuck, we use the toothpick. The toothpick is also made from plants. Now, is the fork made from plants? Fork is made from metal. Okay, fork is made from metal, so this is not from plants. So this is not, okay, we will cancel this, right? Then we see small pebbles here. Small pebbles here. Do we get pebbles from plants? No, right? So metal and pebbles are not from plants. What are the remaining things that we get from plants? We get medicines, we get vegetables, we get rubber, we get cotton, we get pencils. Pencils are made from plants and toothpicks are made from plants. So many uses because of plants, right? So let's move further and learn more. Let us watch this video. Try to remember the things which are written in the video and also the pictures. What they want to tell us. What can we learn from this video, right? Come on.
Plants are useful to us in many ways. They give us wood, food, cotton, medicines, rubber, gum, and other things. Plants keep the air clean. We should plant more trees and take care of them.
Shall we watch this video once again? Yes, here we go.
Keep the air clean. We should plant. Plants are useful to us in many ways. They give us wood, food, cotton, medicines, rubber, gum, and other things. Plants keep the air clean. We should plant more trees and take care of them.
Yes, students. Now can you tell me why plants are important? Yes, plants are helpful to us in many ways. We get so many things from plants. We get wood from plants, with which furniture is made. Your doors, your beds, your dining table, all these are made with wood. So plants are helping here, right? And the second thing, we get food from plants. The fruits that you eat, the vegetable curries that you eat, the grain like rice, wheat, all these are once again from plants. And what about the medicines? So many medicines are made from plants. Okay, some medicinal plants name I can tell you which are very popular, which are very common among us, which all of us know, is the tulsi, is the aloe vera, okay, and the neem, and there are many more medicinal plants, right? Not only medicines, food and wood, we also get fiber from plants. Fiber means which is used to make clothes, right? Like cotton and jute. Cotton is used for several purposes, to make clothes and medicinal purposes. Jute is also used to make clothes and gunny bags. Okay, right? So if we are getting so many things from plants, and another thing is that plants purify the air. Yes, plants keep the air clean. Because of these trees and plants only, we are able to breathe in pure air. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, whereas we breathe in oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide, right? So the plants are air purifiers. If the plants are helping us in so many ways, isn't it our duty to protect them, take care of them, plant more? Yes, because plants help us in so many ways. We should plant more trees, and not only plant, we have to take care of them so that they grow into nice plants and trees, right? Let's move further.
Okay, now it's time for some reflective analysis.
Right? So, why did we put the pencil into the box but not the fork? Okay, we had the second box, right? Second plant box. We have put the pencil. They asked us to put the pencil. Why pencil is called a plant product? Because pencil is made from wood, whereas the fork is made from metal. All of us use pencil for writing, whereas fork for eating, right? Food like noodles, okay, spaghetti we eat with fork. So why did we put the pencil in plant products in that box? Because the pencil is made of wood. We get wood from plants, and so the pencil is put inside the plant box. The fork is made of plastic or metal. We do not get plastic or metal from plants, right? Let's move further. What are the useful things we get from plants? Plants give us fruit, vegetables, medicines, wood, oil, cotton, and many other things. Okay, just remember that. What are the things that plants give us? Plants give us fruit, vegetables, medicines, wood, oil, cotton, and many other things. Plants also give us rubber and gum. Rubber is used to make tires and erasers. Gum is used to make glue. We use the juices and oils of some plants to make soap and toothpaste, right? So what are the things that plants give us? Fruit, vegetables, medicines, wood, oil, cotton, and many other things. Plants also give us rubber and gum. So what do we do with rubber? What are the things that are made with rubber? Tires, okay, vehicle tires and erasers are made with the rubber, whereas with the gum it is used as glue to paste papers or stick something, right? And the juices and oils of several plants are used in making of soaps and toothpaste. You might have seen on TV, right? Many advertisements, they show that this soap has this aloe vera gel or some other plant leaves, and this toothpaste is made from so and so tree's bark or twigs, right? Babool, meswak, okay, dabur. They boast about the herbal products. Herbal means which are got from the plants, okay. So now let us look at this table. There is, you can draw this in your classwork, beta. Useful things that we get from plants. What are the useful things? Number 1, fruits and vegetables. Number 2, medicines. Number 3, wood. Number 4, cotton. Number 5, rubber and gum. Okay, neatly draw this in your EVS classwork, right? Let's move further. How else are the plants useful to us? Why should we plant more trees? Are there any other ways that plants are helping us? And why should we plant more trees? Nowadays we are hearing a lot about this Harita Haram and all, where people are planting more trees. So why should we plant more trees? Plants give us fresh air and help to keep the air cool and clean. Okay, fresh air, they keep the surroundings cool and clean. Plants are home to many animals like squirrels, birds, ants and monkeys. Okay, so we already learned that about the birds. Okay, we know that many birds have their nests in the trees. We see small animals like squirrels jumping around. We see ants going on the trunks of trees. We see the monkeys jumping on the branches of the trees. So we can say that plants are home for so many animals, right? So all these animals and plants are important for us. Yes, the plants as well as animals are important for us, and the environment also in so many ways. We should plant more trees and take care of them. Right, students? Let's move further. Okay, now all of you take out your workbook. I repeat, take out your workbook to worksheet 5.1. Okay, worksheet 5.1. So you can put the date here, today's date, read the question, useful plants worksheet, tick the things that you get from plants or that are made of things we get from plants. Okay, what things you get directly from plants and what are the things that are made from plant products. You have to tick them. Okay, all plant related products you are going to put a tick on them, right? So there is a box under every picture. In that empty box you put a tick if the picture is from a plant. Okay, mango, A1 is a mango, that is a fruit. Where do we get the mango from? Yes, we get mango from mango tree. So the fruit is a plant product, so put a tick to that fruit. Then in the second picture we can see the chair. We see the wooden chair there. Yes, once again the wood is from a plant. It is a plant product. Okay, plants grow into trees. So plant product, wood is a plant product, so we are going to put a tick to the chair. Okay. Next, spoon. Spoon is made out of metal, right? So do we get metal from plants? No. So we are not going to put a tick there. Now we'll move to the next picture, that is picture D. It is an eraser. Okay. So erasers are made out of rubber. Once again we get rubber from trees, right? So we are going to tick picture A, picture B and picture D, right? Next, what is the second activity, second question? This is something which you like very much. Okay, you all like to draw, right? So draw two things made from things we get from plants. You can draw any two things which are made from plants. Okay, so you can draw a door, you can draw a dining table, or you can draw a cotton dress, right? You can draw some vegetable or fruit. Any two things you can draw and write its name and color it, right? Name of the things you can write here below the picture. Then the third question, why should we plant trees? Yes, tell me students, why should we plant trees? All through the lesson we learned that plants help us in several ways. Many ways plants are helping us. They give us wood, they give us food, they give us medicines, they give us cotton, they give us rubber, right? So, and not only that, they purify the air. They give us clean air and keep our surroundings cool and clean. If we are getting so many things from plants, shouldn't we protect it? Yes, we must protect the plants. We have to plant more trees and take care of them. Right, students? You can write the answer in short. Better if you write 2 or 3 points for this answer. So let us move forward. Right? All of you open your content book. Yes, content book. We have these 3 questions here. Practice questions. First question is very easy. Circle the things that we get from plants. Nana, so 5 words are given. You have to circle the word which you think are from plants. Milk, Milk do we get from plants? No. Fruit do we get from plants? Yes, we get so many fruits like mangoes, apples, grapes, bananas are from plants. So you can put a circle around it. All of you circle it. Then vegetables are also from plants. Put a circle around the word vegetables. Wood, yes, wood is also from plants. Put a circle around it. Butter, is butter from plants? Butter is made out of curd. Curd we make it from milk. Milk is from cow. Okay, so butter is an animal product, not a plant product. So we are not going to circle. Don't circle butter. So in this question, for this question, we are going to circle 3 words, that is fruit, vegetables and wood. Right? Let's move forward to the second question. Why do we call plants our green friends? Okay, plants are our friends. Tell me something about your friend, children. Who is your best friend? Why do you like them? Okay, so you like your best friend because you share things. She helps you in many ways, right? So even when plants are helping us in so many ways by giving fruits, wood, food, cotton, medicinal oils, medicines, so many things, when they are purifying the air, they are also our friends. They are giving us so much. So they are truly our friends because they are helping us in so many ways. So what are you going to write here? We call plants as our green friends because they help us in many ways. Okay. Then third question, why should we plant more trees? When plants are helping us in so many ways and purifying the air, if we protect the plants and trees, if we plant more trees, then we will get more benefit, more help from plants. Right, students? So I hope you have understood this lesson. Complete your worksheet, answer the practice questions in the content book, read the lesson. Nana, reading is very important. Reading helps you to understand the lesson better. It will help you to improve your language, underline the new words, and that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.